This is Jackery Bolt with his built-in claws. He hates losing power, so he has a built-in weapon. He hates messiness, so he makes it simple and straightforward. If one fist can't fix the problem, he throws another one. Actually, 99% of your charge Jackery Bolt.
Charger, data cable, power bank, plug adapters. For charging our phones, we need to bring a bunch of accessories when traveling. Introducing Mr. Charger, a two-way fast charging 4-in-1 mobile charger. One Mr. Charger equals to one fast charger head plus one 10,000 mAh power bank, one MFI certified cable, and 3 international plug adapters. Now one is good to go. Mr. Charger solves your charging problems on the go, no matter where you are. With 15-watt power mix output, it can achieve up to 40% in just half an hour, and it can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. The practical wall charging function allows its charging and being charged at the same time. Mr. Charger is another masterpiece from the Red Dot and the IF award-winning design team. It's powerful, simple, stylish, and easy to carry. With VO fire retardant material, it's safer to use. Mr. Charger, your best travel charging mate.
When it comes to portable chargers, there are many options. How do you know which one to pick? Here are some that can fit in my pocket. And here are some models that can keep my phone charged for at least a couple of days. And this is the Super Mini by Zendure. Super Mini is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger, delivering enough charge capacity to keep you going in a package that's small enough you can take anywhere. By the way, we're doing something a little different with this crowdfunding campaign. More on that later. Super Mini's cutting-edge, high-density power cells pack more energy in a smaller space. Super Mini's USB-C port offers 18-watt power delivery, input and output capability, cutting charging time by up to 44%. Super Mini itself only needs about 3 hours to get a full recharge, while the USB-A port features 18-watt Zen Plus 2.0 technology with adaptive quick charge, taking advantage of rapid charging capabilities of compatible QC 3.0 devices. Super Mini also supports pass-through charging technology. Of course, appearances matter too. That's why Super Mini comes in 3 different varieties to suit your personal style, including Blue Horizon. If you pre-order Super Mini right now, you can save up to 51% off the expected retail price. Each Super Mini comes with a USB-A and USB-C combo cable, plus a 2-year warranty from Zendure. Like I said before, we're doing things a little differently. We're putting our backers in the driver's seat of an interactive campaign unlike anything seen before. Order today and keep an eye out for updates in the coming weeks to join in. Yes, there's a lot of options for portable chargers, but it's not a hard decision. Get charged, get going. Super Mini from Zendure.
One more, please.
Be extremely careful with this egg. We'll take it back to the lab and then we'll hatch it. So all we have to do is go through.
Can you give me the wrench? Just toss it up here.
This is a 10,000. It is a graphene battery bank. Essentially be the fastest charging battery bank on planet Earth. So it's called ElectJet. I believe it's a Kickstarter.
It's an Indiegogo.
Indiegogo.
Are you sure it's 5,000?
This is a 10,000. Oh my God, this one's even better than the one I was looking at on their website.
This is the new one.
This is the new one. It's Apollo Max. This is 10,000 milliamp hour graphene in 19 minutes. One more minute, twice the capacity. You can charge your MacBook off this. It's a whole different story. Over here you have an in-out in a Type-C format, and then you have a traditional USB. To put this in perspective, the enhanced charger you might use for an iPhone 11, which is included with the iPhone 11 Pro, that's an 18-watt charger. This one capable of outputting 60 and recharging itself at 100 watts. So that's a beast, obviously. You see, we already went up to 84%. We're still at 100. We didn't even lose 1% yet. You see how that goes? On the bleeding edge with the graphene tech inside, and also if you're disorganized like myself, where your battery bank is never charged for whatever reason. If that happens with this one, it's the only 10,000 milliamp hour battery on planet Earth that you're going to be able to get boosted to 100 before you have to leave, because it only takes 19 minutes. So that's the story of the problem.
What is the Mix? The new breakthrough product created by Young Team, White Trees Technology, based on double-phase design idea, made from ABS resin texture, adopting perfect non-hardware button design. We finally put 8,000 mAh battery in 1 TB hard drive in only 14 mm high small box. Compare with other power bank and a portable hard drive. The Mix is 2 mm thinner and has both function. The Mix supports 2.4 ampere quick charging and USB 3.0 fast data transferring. Speed of data transfer can high up 120 meters per second. So, help the Mix simplify your life. We put an anti-slip rubber on the black side. You don't need to worry about phone dropping anymore. No matter whether standing or walking, you'll still be more safe than ever. What amazing is how much detail experience the Mix has. Touching the tree icon lightly. Capacity of battery will be shown to you emotionally like your private assistant. On the other hand, 7 protection techniques are an important element of the Mix. We are eager to keep products safe anytime, and all the more for you. The amazing happens always on the other side. Look at the split layer vent construction on the polishing white side. 89 Y-shaped heat dissipation vents make the Mix keep cool. Thanks for the high efficiency. When we connect the Mix to computer for data transferring, current would pass through from hard drive to battery with speed of 2 ampere. Working and charging is never conflicting. thin and light, always is what we care about. Experience 4 months construction analysis and rebuild. No compromise on any performance. We've done it with a minimum volume. 14mm height and looks like the iPhone X. All and all, we just want to simplify your life without the compromise. This is why the Mix exists. Black for power, white for data. The Mix.